Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this tutorial I'll teach you how to blur video background in Capcut. The first thing you want to do is to log into your Capcut, and when you are logged into your Capcut, it's going to look like this. This is how the interface looks like. If you have an existing project that you are working on, you can just click on any of the selected projects here and you start working on it. But if you are working on a new project that you want to blur the background, you can just click on this plus icon here. This is the plus icon, and when you click on it, it's going to take you to your gallery. These are my videos, and you select any of the video that you want to work on. Let's assume I want to work on this particular video, but you click on it, you click on add. So when you click on this add, you are going to click on this particular video. When you click on it, you can scroll, and on this toolbox here, this is a toolbox. You can just scroll down. When you select the video, you look through the toolbox and you look for duplicate. This is duplicate. You duplicate this video. When you duplicate this video, you are going to now click on overlay. Still on this tool here, you select this video that you just duplicated and you look for overlay. This is it. When you select overlay, you can as well also delete this ending. When you select overlay, you click on it and you drag this to the ending of this video. Now, if this particular video has a sound, you can mute it. So this overlay will now be the video that we are going to be using for this particular project. So when you click on overlay, you can now go back. So when you are out of this video, you are still going to go back and you click on overlay. When you click on overlay, so that you can select this particular video, then you go and search for remove BG. When you click on remove BG, you are going to click on either auto removal or custom removal. Now, I'm going to explain this auto removal and also this custom removal. What auto removal means is that it will just help you automatically do this process without you having to select the particular picture that or frame you want to remove. So when you click on auto removal, it just automatically do that for you. Or you can click on custom removal, and you click on custom removal, you click on brush. If you have a pro account or you're a pro member, you can just click on quick brush and it's automatically erase it for you. But we want to use the brush because we want to do this particular removal manually, and you select the place you want to allow to show. Now you can see this zoom icon. What this zoom does is that it shows you what you are doing. It takes you through the process so you won't make mistakes. So what we'll just do, we just select this particular picture that we want it to show on our background. So you can just start cleaning. So when you are done, you can just leave it. Let's finish up this process. So now you can see when I leave it, it's going to remove this picture. So in case you make any mistake, if you make any mistake, you can just come here and click on erase. Let's assume you made a mistake of cleaning somewhere that you want to show on the video. Let's say like this particular seat, we want it to show. You can just erase it, and when you're done, you can as well click on this OK sign and we've removed the background. Now the next step we want to do here is to go back. When you're back, you click on effects. When you click on effects, you click on video effects. So on this video effects, you want to look for a particular effect. You can see our background is still removing, so we just let it through the process until it gets to 100 while we continue to do other things. So when you click on video effects, you are going to select lens. There's this video effects called lens. That's what you are going to be using to blur the background. When you click on lens, you search for blur. This is it. When you search for blur, you select this particular video effect called blur and you click on blur. You can see how it looks like. You can decide to adjust it if you want. You can see, let's adjust. Okay, I think this is okay. So if you are good with it, you can just click on OK. Then you go to this blur effect and you drag it. Sorry, you take it back to the beginning of the video. You click on it and you drag it to the end of the video, so that every other thing you are doing is going to be blur. So this is how our video now looks like. As you can see, we've been able to blur this video background using Capcut. So that's how to blur video background in Capcut. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you for watching.